Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy message text in a chat on the X app with the latest updated method. If you've ever wanted to save something important or share part of a conversation without taking a screenshot, this simple process will help you do exactly that. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons lined up there, and the one you'll want to tap is the message icon. This will instantly bring you to your inbox where all of your conversations are stored. From here, select the chat or conversation that contains the message you'd like to copy. Just tap on it, and the full thread will open up on your screen. Now scroll through until you find the exact message you want to copy. Here's the key step. Once you've located that message, press and hold, or long press, directly on it. After holding for about a second, a small menu will appear with different options. Among those, look for the option that says Copy Message Text. Tap on it, and just like that, the message has been copied to your clipboard. Now you're free to paste it wherever you need. Whether you want to share it with a friend, keep it in your notes, or quickly use it in another conversation, the copied text is ready to go. Simply open the app or place where you want to paste it. Hold down in a text box and choose Paste. It's really that simple. This feature makes it faster and more convenient to save information, share details, or move text from one place to another without extra effort. And the best part is that it works instantly, so you never have to worry about typing things out manually again. That's all it takes to copy message text in the X app using the updated steps.